All right, everyone, let's play outside.
Yay! Ha ha ha! Look at the rainbow! Johny Johny!
Johny?
Johny?
Johny Johny?
Yes, Papa?
Jolly Johnny?
Yes, Papa?
Eating sugar? No, Papa. Johny Johnny?
Yes, Papa?
Eating sugar?
No, Papa?
Telling lies?
No, Papa?
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. All right, Johnny. Let's dance.
Johny Johny, yes, Papa. See you next time. Bye, friends. See you next time.
Welcome to the Kid Zone. We're so glad you're here to play with us today.
Thank you, Banglaman.
Always remember to be kind and brave. Johnny? Johnny?
Yes, Papa. Eating sugar? No, Papa.
Telling lies?
No, Papa. Open your mouth. Just one bite.
Caught you.
Oops.
Next time, ask.
Red color ball, can you say?
Yes, Papa. Red today.
Blue color ball, can you see?
Yes, Papa. Blue for me.
Number 1, can you say?
Yes, Papa. Number 1 today.
Number 2, can you see?
Yes, Papa. Number 2 for me.
This is apple, red and sweet.
Yes, Papa. Apple treat.
This is banana, yellow too. This is apple, red and sweet.
Yes, Papa. Apple treat.
This is banana, yellow too.
Apple, apple, red and bright. Take a bite, it tastes so right. Don't forget to like and subscribe.